Another doctor sentenced for sex crimes has made an appeal to a judge. Last month, Kenneth Haygood was sentenced to 8 years in prison after pleading guilty to sexual assault charges. Today, a judge set protective orders for the women in those cases. KLTV7's J.D. Conti was there as Haygood protested that move.
I have trouble seeing where there's any place for protective order in these cases.
Kenneth Haygood will have to register as a sex offender for life after taking a plea deal last month. As required by law, today prosecutors brought protective orders for the women in those cases. Judge Jackson allowed Haygood to speak and protest on his own behalf.
The state really hasn't suggested any actual reason for it as far as any kind of a threat or any action that's ever been taken or threatened against the parties.
Haygood told Judge Austin Reeve Jackson he worried his case could affect other doctors.
We're having done normal pelvic exams on patients with their consent at their request can retroactively years later be reclassified as sexual assault.
Judge Jackson ultimately granted the orders, which is required by law.
I have trouble seeing how issuing a protective order in this case is going to suddenly result in a whole bunch of doctors committing sexual assault.
Prosecutor Zach Gilmore said Haygood's guilty plea speaks differently than he did today.
I think his feigned ignorance during the hearing today was not genuine.
Haygood originally faced 8 charges. 6 were dropped as part of his plea deal. The protective orders only apply to the women in the cases he pled guilty to. Prosecutors don't have legal authority to impose such an order on a charge that was dismissed. J.D. Conti, KLTV 7 News.
And those protective orders are for a lifetime. Haygood will not be allowed to communicate with those victims in any way.